Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento 2. So today we are going to learn about how to add a custom tab to the customer account dashboard in Magento 2. So we are going to learn how to add such a customer links in the account page. So let's get started. So I have prepared the tutorial for this. So let's start getting the prepared and I will explain how we are going to build in the functions, right? So first of all, you need to create a module first. So let me go to my HTML Magento 5 we are going to use which one here it is Magento 5. Okay, app code. So we are going to add here a new one that is called new folder, or you can switch to that folder Magento dev. Okay, custom module we are going to create a new folder over here, or just let's make it the new module. Okay, new folder Rajnikant. Okay, and after this folder we have this customer tab. Just copy this. Okay, and new folder, paste it. Okay, in the customer tab we have to maintain the files. So I think we should pick up the etc and the registration.php for the module registration. So let's go to this one, and customer tab we have to create this etc and registration.php. Let's remove this one. Okay, and add the here we have Rajnikant. And what is our module name? Basically, what is the module name we have? This is customer tab, right? So I'm going to paste this over here, customer tab. This is done. Okay, so this is done. What next we are going to add is etc module.xml. So this is not we required, this is not required, this is not required. Okay, then we have to copy with the module.xml. So app code Magento dev custom, we have etc and we have module.xml. I'm going to copy it from here. So this one customer etc module.xml. Currently I'm going to delete this. I'm going to paste this. Okay, opening this module, then we have Magento dev, then changes to this Rajnikant. Let's copy this from registration.php, right? And here we go with the module name over here, customer tab. Okay, so this is done. This module registration process is completed. Now we are going to create the files. So first of all we need to create the view. Okay, go to the view part, code Rajnikant customer. Now we are going to new folder view. Then we have to create the front end because we are doing the front end manipulation. So copy this front end, new folder front end. Then we have to go with the layout because customer account is linked within the layout. So we are need to add the fields over here. So you need to copy this customer.account.xml and open with the terminal and use the touch command to create this file, customer account.xml. Open this file. Okay, now going to paste this code. So this is the XML code that we need to paste it from here to here. Okay, so you can see that we have this, only we have arguments block, we are using the HTML link. So it will add this link only. So this we have this one customer tab link, right? So this is a linking part. Moving to the next, we have to create a action file, that is a route file. So in the layout file, because we have mentioning over this layout, route layout front and index.xml, that according to this we need to create this file. Okay, so let's go to this one, view front end layout. Now going to add this full path and create this index.xml layout. So I'm going to open with the terminal. It's already open, I guess. So I'm going to add this touch v. Okay, so this is already ready. Let's paste the code over here. This is our code that we are going to embed it. Okay, so here we have the reference container content, and which tab we are going to use, tab content.html file, right? So we need to create this tab.html in templates file, right? Template we are going to use. So what next, we are going to, with the front index, we need to create the controller also for the perform the action, or whatever you can add the action over here, whether you want to call anything customer data or something related to it, you can do that. So we need to create the controller, new folder, that is controller. In controller we have to define the front, and we are going to add that front, and we have index.php. So let's create this one. In terminal, touch command with index.php. Okay. So opening the index.php right now and going to paste this code. So this is basically rendering the layout, okay, nothing else. So index.php rendering the layout, load layout and render the layout, right? So this is done. Moving to the next part that we have is html file. So we need to create the templates. So front end, where it is front view front end, then layout is there. Now we need to create templates file, and in the templates we have to create this tab customer, because it is a linkage in the reference container. You can see that here, tab content.html. So we need to create this one. Open with the terminal and touch the command and run it. Okay, whatever content you want to add over here you can add, so it's up to you. So I'm going to just add eco php content. So you can add the p tag or whatever you can, getting the data from the block or something else, you can do that. Okay, so the module completion is done. So let's go, we are going to create the run the commands to check whether it is working or not. Okay, so let's go to this project community common edition of, and let's run the commands. First of all, we need to run the compile statement. The project community edition, paste this, compile. So it's gonna be compiling part, right? So moving to the next part, we are going to run the upgrade. Moving to the next part, upgrade. Now we have deploy. Moving to the deploy command, and now we have the next command, we have this one. Okay, so let's run it and check it. Okay, so this is done. Let's see, let's create an account and check. Register, email, anything we can add. Super admin 12, password is already saved. This one, register. See this customer tab, so it's not redirecting properly front index. Okay, because you can see that the tab is there. I think the redirection problem is there. So on the click on the customer tab, you can see that something rendering part is there. So let's check out how exactly we have done. So let's go to this one. Where is the folder modules? So we have this app code. Okay, customer tab. Let me check the admin panel first. Admin. Okay, so let's see what exactly we are facing the issue. So we're going with this one. Let's check the controller. It is in the front. And index.php, is it working fine? Index app action, okay. Front, okay, working fine. Moving to the next, we have view, front end, templates, no templates, layout. So layout, what is the process of the layout? We have front is there. Okay, in the layout part, Rajnikant route front, Rajnikant route front. Okay, create your here layout, front end layout. We have created this one, index.xml. Then we have customer tab and the content. This is the html file. What is the action? When click on this one, action, this is the action argument. Rajnikant route front index and let me check this one. Give me a second. Okay. Hello friends, you can see that the customer tab is here. So when I click on the any of the tab, it's redirecting properly and the customer tab is there. So whatever data you want to show it over here, you can show it there, right? So the files is missing in that case is we haven't defined the routes. So routes is very important to define it. So you can see that when we have the routes over here, so one file is missing, that is Rajnikant route. So you need to create on this one. So let's go to the etc front end routes. In the routes.xml you need to define the route, so Rajnikant route, and this route is we have already defined in the front end index.xml. No, this not this one, account.xml. So this is the route in which the path we have defined. So Rajnikant route is the route and the front index is the file that we have already created, that's the controller part that we can redirect and render that part. Okay, so this is how we can add the customer like custom link, or you can say add the custom link over the customer dashboard in Magento 2. So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Let's see in the next coming video. Have a nice day.